there, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing so well. Welcome back. I thought that today I would document me doing a real-time getting out of a rut reset routine. I think I sound like a broken record when I talk about my reset routine because it is something that has genuinely helped me so much in my life over the past couple of years. If you're new around here, you may not have heard me talk about it before. We all have days, periods of time where we feel down or a little bit lower than usual. Say you're going through a hard time or you're just having a bad day. I have kind of devised a day where I can, if I am able to take the day, to reset, to make myself feel the best that I possibly can under whatever circumstances I'm in. This is like a physical and an emotional reset, and it is something that I like to do at least once a month, usually every couple of weeks. If I can do it once a week, amazing. It's nothing crazy, but it is just little things I like to do all in one day, so that by the end of the day, I feel refreshed, I feel pampered, and I feel reset, like a new woman. I actually just got back from the gym, which is the first thing I will always do on a reset day, is get some endorphins going, move my body, do something that feels good. I'll also try and spend time with someone. I'll either FaceTime a friend or if I can, see someone in person. So I trained with my friend T today. We trained chest and oh my God, I'm so sore. And I already feel like 100 times better and the sun is shining. So at the moment we are in optimum conditions for a successful reset day. Things are going well so far. Things that I want to do today are, I'm gonna pamper myself. I'm gonna do a face mask. I'm gonna go get my nails done because you can tell I'm neglecting myself. Look at this regrowth. They're a mess. So I'm gonna go treat myself to an hour in the nail salon with my lovely nail girl, Kelly, who is delightful. So second social interaction of the day. But then as much as, pampering yourself physically is lovely and exercising is lovely, the thing that gets me into ruts is when I feel overwhelmed or stressed. And there are some tasks that I find stressful, certain phone calls I need to make, emails I need to send. I am gonna write a list of things that I have been finding particularly difficult to face and to do. And I'm gonna try and tick off a few of those as well, because at the end of the day, that is gonna really help me feel lighter. Removing some of the root cause of the need for the reset routine is just as important as the reset routine itself. So there's also gonna be tough love in my reset routine today. I do also have spin later, which will be great. I'm gonna have a bubble bath, I'm gonna exfoliate, I'm gonna put a layer of fake tan on before bed tonight. I'm just gonna feel $1 million. I need to wash my hair. First step, move my body, get some endorphins going. Fuel your body and eat good food. Eat amazing, delicious food. I'm gonna go make myself a lovely breakfast, have a protein shake, tick off a couple of things that I've been putting off, and then I'll come back when I am ready for the next step, okay? See you in a bit. I just had a little body shower because I've got spin tonight. I didn't wash my hair. You probably already know what's coming. One of the most vital stages in my reset routine is always skincare. Giving myself an at-home facial, and my favorite way to do that is using Foreo's products. You guys know I've got a long-term partnership with Foreo. I talk about them all the time. Love their products. We are going to start with the Luna 3, which is a device that deep cleans your skin. So you just pop whatever cleanser you want and it pulsates and really helps the product to get deep into those pores and clean them out and get all this sweat and grossness off my face. I'm going to use the Ole Henriksen Truth Juice Daily Cleanser today because it is so refreshing. It smells like oranges and it makes me feel awake, which your girl needs right now, and it's not even midday yet. The Foreo app syncs with your devices, so you can make your own customized treatments, customized facials, so it's bespoke to you. You bougie biche. It's honestly crazy how clean you feel after using this. I also use it on my neck when my fake tan gets really crusty, because it kind of exfoliates as well. I don't know if you can see that, that's brown. But it feels really gentle. Like, it's not harsh or abrasive at all, which we love because we're being gentle with ourselves on our reset routines. We are being gentle. And then my absolute favorite that you've seen me use like countless times, tea break, the Foreo UFO 2. Today I'm going to use the cannabis seed oil sheet mask. So if you've never seen me talk about this before, it is basically an at-home facial. So it uses LED lights, so different lights have different skincare benefits. So it uses like red, purple, blue light. It also uses thermotechnology, so it warms up and it cools down, as well as using pulsations. So you're getting so many different skincare benefits in one tiny little device, as well as, of course, the ingredients in the sheet mask itself. So I've got quite a bad breakout at the moment because it's due on my time of the month. I'm going to use this one because it's really calming and soothing. It is really saturated with product. You then just pop the little disc back and then you go to the Foreo app and you can see at the top the 3 devices that I use most often. You just click the little button to wake him up and then click UFO 2. It connects to it via Bluetooth, so he's looking for him. There we go. And then you can choose your own patterns, make your own patterns, what kind of light you want to use, etc. But then they also have ones that are pre-designed for the mask that you're using, so it's up to you.
As you gently glide UFO across your face and neck, distributing mask essence evenly. Green LED light helps even out the skin tone, while low-level T-sonic pulsations prep skin to absorb the full benefits of the mask essence.
She said it better than me.
As cyan LED light and cryotherapy calms irritated skin and helps reduce inflammation. Take a few more seconds to relax and enjoy, and prepare to feel refreshed.
My face feels amazing, as it always does after I use these. I honestly do them like once a week at least, usually on a Sunday night. Give myself a little facial. I think that a UFO 2 would make such an amazing Christmas present. If you have a beauty lover and you aren't sure what to get them, I think a UFO 2 would be a pretty great present. You're welcome. I'll link them down below for you. Okay, I'm gonna drink my tea and go put on a tiny little smidge of makeup because that always makes me feel better. I always like to do a little bit of makeup on my reset routine. And then I'm gonna go get my nails done. How exciting. I'm feeling better, but I'm still looking pretty rough. And I just realized I am out of teeth whitening strips. I still use my Spotlight Oral Care teeth whitening strips. I've repurchased the set about 4 times. I placed an order because they're on Black Friday at the moment. On Boots you can get them like quite a good price, so I ordered 2 kits just then, so they'll be here tomorrow. Always whiten my teeth on a reset day, but yeah, I didn't realize I was out of strip. I'm gonna use the Eucerin Hyaluronic Filler Day Cream because my skin feels so lovely and moisturized anyway. I'm not going to put loads and loads of products on. Bit of SPF. This has SPF 30 in it. A little brow, a little bit of coverage, some bronzer, mascara, and like a lip balm. I'm going to use the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter in the shade 3, and I'm going to mix it with a little bit of MAC Face and Body Foundation. An oldie, but just never lets me down. Barely even coverage, it's literally just to even out my skin tone. I'm literally just gonna spot conceal, so I'm gonna use the NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer just to cover some of these, honestly, just such disrespectful breakouts.
And that she should be with me by the water fountain. It's your point of view, what's the change? Girl, it's up to you. I'm working on my energy. Cleaning up, I got a belly, got a booty, got that dum-da-dum.
And we're now in the kitchen. Makeup is on. Honestly, I do just think I look better with minimal makeup. Like, as I've gotten older, I prefer how I look with less makeup. Minimal makeup, no makeup, full glam for me these days in preference. A really light base. This is the Vive Skin Dew. It's absolutely like stunning. I've got MAC Hue on my lips, loads of bronzer because I looked a little bit deathly, mascara and brows, and that's it. And a big key part of a reset day is to make sure you are nourishing your body. Usually I like to meal prep on these days, but I've actually got a fridge full of meal prepped food already. I had a little meal prep session the other day. I'm having mint and I'm just gonna mix it with some pasta. It's got protein, vegetables, carbs. It's easy because I need to leave my house in 20 minutes. And I literally chipped a massive chunk out of this one. I literally noticed about 3 minutes ago. I have no idea when I did it. I feel so much better already. And another thing I like to do on these days is something that I enjoy, that I find relaxing, that doesn't involve screens. So not just sitting and watching TV or sitting and watching a YouTube video. Obviously, if you want to, at the end of the day, sit down and watch a film and you find that really relaxing, I know I do, then amazing. But I think I'm gonna do some scrapbooking today, or maybe a Bob Ross painting, just something that is creative and relaxing, that kind of, or I might just even doodle. I might do some drawing or something while I watch TV, kind of just free drawing and barely even looking at the paper, and then like colouring it in like a child basically. But that is also important. Getting in touch with your inner child is also quite key. So, you know, killing loads of birds with one stone. Don't kill birds, okay? Damn, son, that's some gourmet shit. Let's go get our nails done, nails done, nails done. I'm so excited to get my nails done because they look like trash.
Just another sunny day in Southern California. It's where the people came to play. Don't let them transform you. Oh, come and see what you've been missing.
I just went for black again. I really liked it last time, so hello. I went to spin, felt incredible, so much fun. Another social interaction. I've seen so many people. For me, that's a lot of people in a day because I work from home and I live alone. I had a bubble bath and I've just put on a coat of fake tan. I'm gonna wake up in the morning feeling so bronzed, a million times better. Like, I can't even describe to you how different I feel from this morning. And I haven't done anything crazy. I haven't done anything out of the ordinary. It's just the accumulation of a lot of little self-care moments throughout the day that really can just boost your mood. And I know that it's not going to solve everything. A face mask is not going to make everything better, but it sure does help to just know that you're taking that time to do something for you. Go buy yourself flowers. Just listen to your favorite playlist while you go about your day. Go for a walk at lunchtime. Just take some time to breathe. Take some time for you. I didn't get everything I wanted to do today done. I didn't do any scrapbooking in the end, which is a bit of a shame. I had to do actually quite a lot of work today. You understand what I'm saying? This was what I had time to do today, whilst also trying to get my work done. This is a busy time of year for me. Yeah, I'm gonna go to bed. I'm gonna get an early night, get a good amount of sleep, wake up feeling refreshed, bronzed, glowing, and hopefully I'll feel the benefits tomorrow just as much as I feel them today, because I can't recommend a little bit of self-care enough. I hope this video inspired you a little bit to look after yourself, and I hope if you're having a hard time at the moment, things look up for you soon. And I'm sending you so much love. Like, I absolutely adore you, and I really hope that things feel better for you soon. If you are going through a bit of a hard time, which I know a lot of people are at the moment, yeah, I'm gonna go to bed. I'm gonna go to bed. I'm going to develop. And I hope you guys enjoyed. I will link Foreo down below for you. And yeah, take care of yourselves. I love you and I'll see you soon. Bye.